DJ Low King, what up?
We on that young nigga shit. Yeah, we kicked down the door, we want everything. That's how we came in the game, nigga. Hood, rich. No cosign, no vouchers, nigga. They need us for the voucher, nigga. Yeah, I'm your pass around here, Mr. Postman. 21, what we doing, nigga? Let's go.
Knife in my face, head on my waist. Real street, nigga, and I keep a 30K. Hit my first lick, and I found 30K. But I blew this shit, bitch, I do this shit. You can go and ask the streets, cause they knew this shit. I got your bitch blowing dick like a hookah stick. And I'm still trapping, and I'm still rapping. I'm 21 savage, you pussy niggas average. You pussy niggas average. Y'all niggas so basic. I got AK-47s, I give your ass a facelift. Had you dodging bullets like Neo on the Matrix. Scrape the bowl like grits. I pew, pussy boy until you hit. You been rapping all your life and you still ain't made a hit. I'm Slaughter Gang Savage, give a fuck about a hit. I grab that AK-47 and I let it hit. Pull up on your block and watch you pussy niggas dip. You say you bout that action, but you